Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on automatic updates on LG TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the sidebar and select the gear icon on it to open the quick settings menu. Here, at the top bar of this menu, select the gear icon once again to open all settings. Then navigate to Support tab and select Software Update. In Software Update menu, switch the toggle to the right next to Auto Update feature. And this way you will enable auto updates on your TV. Once you do that, your TV will automatically detect an update whenever it appears. It will do it through the internet network, of course. And once it detects an update, automatically it will start downloading and installing it in the background, and you will be notified whenever a new update is installed. After that, you'll be asked to restart your TV. If you want to restart your TV after your auto update service finds one and installs one, you're gonna have to turn off your TV by short pressing the power button and then unplugging your TV from the power source, plugging it back in again after a couple of seconds, and then turning on your TV by short pressing the power button once again. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.